want to see how I tone my blonde hair to make it more gray or less brassy, keep on watching. Oh, and by the way, I'm not sponsored in any way whatsoever. All opinions are my own, and this purple shampoo that I use is honestly my favorite so far. And you'll see why from the results. Keep on watching.
Baby, hit it.
Okay, so the first step is super simple. You just have to wash your hair with shampoo. Once you're done with that, I like to slightly pat my hair dry. You don't want your hair soaking wet, but you don't want it dry either. This next step is the most important step to toning your hair. Try to use a deep, rich purple shampoo. After squeezing some shampoo into my hand, I like to rub slowly to make sure that it does not foam up. Rub the purple shampoo all over your hair. Put it on any part that's blonde. Treat it as though you are coloring your hair. Once I'm done with that, I like to put my hair in a bun and cover it with a disposable shower cap. This isn't necessary. You could either use a plastic bag, saran wrap, or just leave it uncovered. I like to let the purple shampoo sit in my hair for half an hour. You could do anywhere between 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Just note that the longer you leave it in, the more gray it turns out. So while waiting, you could either shave your legs, read a book, watch your favorite show, but what I like to do is put on a face mask. Third and final step. Rinse out the purple shampoo that's in your hair and then use conditioner. No matter what shampoo I use or conditioner I use, my hair is always tangled after I shower. So a little tip, I like to use a leave-in product called It's a 10 and it helps detangle. I also initially go in with a wide tooth comb to break through my tangles without breaking the ends of my hair. See the difference? Then I go in with another brush just to really get into my hair. Also, don't mind the hair that's on that. Now that it's dry, you can see a better visual of the gray. You'll be able to see it better once I straighten. Let me just pause on my face here because I forgot to film an outro. I forgot to mention in my video that it's good to tone your hair at least once a week. Everything that's shown in this video, I will have a link down below. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!